Hello and welcome. This is Roy. With default or possibility of default on the horizon, the volatility in the coming week could reach to the moon. We all hope that everything will pass uneventfully, but you have to wonder what will be the fate of the US dollar or the US markets when the perception will shift from confidence to inconfidence. I have many charts in the long video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers, going into great length, detailing the situation in the forex market as well as the potential in the stock market in the US and in other markets. You can have access to this video by just giving a try to my service. Again, it's modestly priced, and you could get a very good feel of the kind of analysis that I provide, a detailed analysis. A trial could give you access to 6 videos, and you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. Don't hesitate. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the clip, and I wish you have a good trading and good week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech koruna, the US dollar Danish krona, the US dollar Brazilian real, British pound US dollar, British pound Japanese yen, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, gold, silver, platinum, light crude, the TYX long yields of the UK, the euro Buxel of Germany, and then stock markets, the Dow, the S&P 500, the S&P 100, the Russell 2000, the Nasdaq 100, the EU Stocks 50, the FTSE of the UK, IBEX 35 of Spain. I'll terminate the video with a look at Italy's MIB. From this deflationary wind, very powerful. I won't go through the long term again. I've done it. I covered it in the past. Platinum, if you're interested, you probably remember that we took this as one. I'll take out the AB if it confuses you. It's an alternative wave count. I think this is the most dominant. That's a 1, that's 2, we're coming down, and it is continuing to look lower and lower. It is still within the channel. I don't know how many of you will trade or trade platinum. I think the important thing sometimes is just to have a quick look at what an important industrial metal is doing. The message from the chart here is that there is no crazy demand for platinum. Therefore, industrial production of cars and other things is not going through the roof. That there is nothing terribly exciting. And the wave count, the bigger scale wave count, is actually very bearish, and that is coming out of the price action here. Week after week after week now, it's been looking down. It's coming back to test 1,300. That's my best bet. This is still a good market, well behaved bear here. Do you see? Very weak, following basically along with gold and silver the deflationary path. And another commodity and another deflationary situation developing here. That's light crude, weekly scale, which is really the preferred contract to sell short if you want to get involved in this in the oil market. I think Brent crude is stronger. In the US, they have a lot of oil that they discover, oil, gas. The market is rich in its supply. So the deflationary forces are acting quicker here. We're still dealing with a potential A, B, and possible C down. Let's have a look at the daily. And right now, I think that is the most likely scenario. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. That's still a fourth wave, either in action or it's done. If it's done next week, we should see a visit towards the 200 moving average and maybe quite a bit lower to complete the 5-leg run that started from here. This market is still quite bearish. Nobody would complain about cheap oil, cheap energy. apart from those who sell it. Yeah, the consumer, of course, is will be quite happy. So we have here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4th wave. Ended here, or where? Is it going to end here? It's not very clear. But the entire pattern that comes out here is pretty clear. It wants to continue lower.